The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world, not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since relatively few have decided to work from an alternate organization by and large, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a point-by-point AMP value expectation referenced here, a definitive target of this token being exactly something very similar to ensure exchanges and intrinsic information, making them more moment and secure, based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP provides clients with the accommodation of trading in fiat or some other advanced monetary forms. What makes AMP novel? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and insure on any type of significant worth trade, be it computerized installments, government-issued money trade, advanced disseminations, property deals, and the sky is the limit from there. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus, a thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and such comparative innovation. AMP token, the less popular realities. A significant addition to AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to an exceptional expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a strong and high data transmission public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching fake or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token and it goes about as insurance for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and such comparable innovations. The groundwork of AMP is completely dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security hindrances are captured first. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable quality makes it exceptional contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Consequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out brilliant agreements and move reserves. AMP token, specialized investigation. Going by the specialized investigation, AMP cost has had a notable journey since its send-off, which could be the fundamental justification for its fame. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at 5 cents, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging decently till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded an unsurpassed high of 12 cents. In any case, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to 3 cents. As of now, in July, the token stamped extensive recuperation and keeps on exchanging around 7 cents. It was low when contrasted with every one of the coins. In view of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is 23 cents. With a 5-year speculation, the income of AMP digital currency is supposed to be around plus 510.13%. Toward the start of December 2022, the AMP cost may be around 7 cents according to our AMP estimate. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around 7 cents. AMP conjecture toward the month's end is 7 cents. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at least degree of 7 cents in the principal half of 2022. The AMP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 8 cents with the typical cost of 7 cents all through 2022. AMP cost began in 2022 at 4 cents. Today, the ongoing cost of AMP is exchanged at 5 cents, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj normal AMP cost forecasts toward the finish of 2022 is 25 cents. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 169%. In the primary portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to 10 cents. In the final part, the cost would be 24 cents and constantly end it would be 29 cents. AMP has been protecting its ongoing position well against the market-wide instability. Starting from the main portion of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish positions, which are higher than the past one. In the present moment to midterm situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at 9 cents. Our drawn-out AMP gauge is bullish, significantly more. It has a high chance of arriving at another untouched high this year. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP-Viz, security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized insurance token that offers unquestionable confirmations collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this security token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and guarantee token financial backers in the long haul. Crypto positions as one of the best 50 digital forms of money, and with this it will unquestionably arrive at new levels. AMP Value Forecast 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, dependable environment and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the AMP with begetting gain a lot greater cost of 11 cents per coin. If the drive for practical AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Also, consequently, as per AMP's cost forecast 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to procure great return from now on. AMP Value Forecast 2024. Many theories are going ahead for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is an estimate that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The astonishing limited time adventures might wrap up, making the clients reap the increases. AMP Value Expectation 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the brains. Throughout the following 5 years, the token is set to quit slacking with other digital forms of money to show up at a cost of 17 cents. A stunning hopefulness is anticipated for AMP chiefly because of its predictable exhibition throughout the following 4 years. Consequently, brokers ought to allude to our AMP conjecture before they put resources into AMP. AMP Value Forecast 2026. In the event that the market turns good, AMP cost is set to break all hindrances and perform abundantly, scaling the top soon according to our conjecture. Violating all restrictions over the course of the following year, the AMP token would doubtlessly give indications of fortune. Clients can properly investigate things and remember AMP for their portfolio alongside other AMP crypto cost expectation coins for bringing in cash fundamentally soon. Supported by strong brilliant agreements, the AMP cost may effectively contact 19 cents constantly 50% of the year 2026. AMP Value Forecasts past 2026. AMP cryptographic money specialists generally plan for the drawn-out cost targets as opposed to the transient venture. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out AMP value, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027 as the reception of AMP would develop dramatically. By when AMP would be not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player is turning 32 cents. Consequently, it is prudent to purchase AMP or sell AMP at the ongoing value level to acquire more benefit. Also, as additional individuals would purchase or selling AMP, they will have an advantage on it. Is AMP crypto in air pocket? Individuals truly do have this confusion